Handloom weaving is an ancient Indian art form, which was once thought to have become a sunset industry. But we've seen that it has become more and more popular because of a global wave favoring sustainable, meaningful, slow and artisanal fashion. Although there is a growing global demand for handwoven textiles, we observed did not necessarily translate into higher earnings for the hard works that the weavers put in. Their earnings over the last few decades have stagnated at around 5,000 rupees per month. We observed that many young weavers had started leaving the vocation, and this was primarily due to lack of creative agency in handloom weaving. This gap in the ecosystem inspired us to set up Karghe Wale in December 2020. The idea was simple: empower young weavers with the skill set necessary for them to continue as new ambassadors of handloom weaving.
ये लाइन यहाँ से उठ के यहाँ आ गया, पर नेकलाइन बन गया। नेक्स्ट स्टेप, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है नेकलाइन को नंबर देना।
At Karghe Wale, we offer a 6-month free training program for the artisan community, focusing on developing their skills as creative entrepreneurs, or as we would like to call them, as artisan designer entrepreneurs. Graduating artisans are also provided with a 3 years post-training incubation program to help them further their aspirations and their careers. Our goal is to help artisans by establishing market connections, thereby giving them the rightful credit for the unique designs and helping them establish their brand identity.
पहले मेरी तनख्वाह महीने की 8,000 रुपये थी। मुझे बहुत कम लगती थी ये, और मैंने इस फील्ड को छोड़ने का फ़ैसला किया। फिर मुझे 6 महीने की ट्रेनिंग मिली सौरदीप सर से। ट्रेनिंग के बाद मुझे प्री लूम से लेके बायर सेलर मिड तक सब कुछ प्रैक्टिकली सिखाया गया और आत्मनिर्भर बनाया सर ने। आज उस ट्रेनिंग के बाद मेरे 3 लूम हैं, और जिसमें मुझे 30 से 35 हज़ार रुपये मिलते हैं मंथली इनकम।
करगे वाली संस्था की ओर से मुझे हैंडलूम की ट्रेनिंग मिली फ्री में, जिसकी वजह से मैं आज आत्मनिर्भर बन सकी और आज अपना स्वयं का बिजनेस चला रही हूँ।
Currently, of all weavers in India, only 2% are entrepreneurs. Our research shows that if this number moves up to 20%, it would imply a 60% increase in wages and incomes of weavers across the sector. And this is our goal, to empower more artisans in India to fulfill their entrepreneurial dreams.
We are grateful to the Pragati initiative of Meta for the guidance and strategic inputs. The support was instrumental in building our first cohort of artisan incubators.